Here we have a 2019 19 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked Riviera alloy wheels in 20-inch. Now they're all wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres. We have the lower bash bar, the Raptor style front grille, we also have the bonnet bar, and also you can see the carbon fibre style bonnet vent. Now we have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle, very subtle, it looks very, very cool indeed, it makes this car stand out. We have the side steps on either side, WILDTRAK decals on both front doors. We have the Team Hecker window flexors, black window trim and also privacy glass on the rear. We also have the roof bars on the front and we also have the truckman cab on the rear. Now you have your rear parking sensor, your rear reversing camera, tow bar just down there as well. Open up the rear cab, you can see just in there, nice spacious size boot in there. You also have the rear tailgate which is also strutted down so it comes down very smoothly. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle, especially the black styling with the black wheels, the wide arch kit and also all the other features added to this vehicle. Going to the back you can see we do have the half leather and half fabric seats throughout with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest. You also have a 12-volt connectivity in the centre. Electric windows on the doors. Going to the front seat, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Again, it is the half leather and half suede, electrically adjustable. Both front seats are also heated. A WILDTRAK just stitched in there as well. Electric windows, carbon fibre trim, auto lights just down there as well. You have your power folding wing mirrors. So jumping in the car, foot on the brake, and then turn the key. The vehicle will then start up. You have your multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 44,120 miles. You have your screens on the left and on your right where you can find your, on the left hand side, your entertainment. You also have your navigation and phone. Then on the right hand side you have all your different bits of driving information. Screen in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation. So click on that one. You have that. You have your audio connectivity. So you do have your DAB radio. Go on to sources. You have AM, FM, DAB, CD and Bluetooth audio. You have your climate control up here as well as down here. We can also turn the heated seats on. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity, back to navigation, mobile apps. And when you go into settings, scroll across, you can find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Keep going. You have your ambient lighting. So you do have 7 colours to choose from. I like to keep it in ice blue. Pop the car into reverse, you can see rear reversing camera and your rear sensors. Coming down here, again, your dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seats, which work exactly how you would expect it to. You also have your heated windscreen just there, so for those cold winter mornings when it is fully defrosted over, click that button and within minutes the whole windscreen will be defrosted. 2 12-volt connectivities, 2 USB, you have storage down there, track shot on and off down in the centre, says 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high and also 4-wheel drive low. So if you low range gearbox, it is a very capable off-road, especially with those all-terrain off-road tyres. 2 nice size cup holders, a soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free content nationwide next day delivery. This HBI Clear comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.